knows who that is. And this is Operation Doc Ock Arms for my 6-year-old. I went to the hardware store and I found these perfect tubes. I couldn't believe the find. You got your Doc Ock glasses?
These are not Doc Ock glasses. These are building glasses.
Oh.
And this is a building helmet.
That's very clever. So these are tubes for a pool filter. They were just perfect. I got this out of the plumbing section, which can help join the arms. I got this $2 soft twist tie, which I think will be helpful to make straps. I have some zip ties that I had in the garage. This was an awesome find. I went to the bicycle store and I asked for those power sources for the claws. And I got 4 round ones, which was such a score. Then I didn't know what to do about the claws. These were at K-Mart. These are discs for football and soccer fields. There's like 10 of them, and these were only $5. I'm gonna try to fashion these into claws. I've got my silver duct tape, which solves every problem. And then I also got this inexpensive speed rope, which I'm gonna figure out how I can use in a way that will give Cooper an opportunity to manipulate the arms somehow in some way, shape, or form, just so that he could sort of swing his actual hands around and the coils will have some articulation to them. That's called duct tape. Sounds like duct tape. So we'll see how we go. Okay, so we're on phase 2 now. We joined the arms with that plumbing thing, and I snaked a jump rope for the arms, which we can figure out how to zip tie to make them sort of coordinated. I took the football discs and I made a basic claw design. This duct tape is the stretchiest duct tape I've ever seen. It's Australian, and I don't think I've ever handled duct tape so stretchy. It's actually not behaving the way I want it to. So that'll be a little bit challenging. It stretches too much. As soon as you pull it off the roll, it's like pulling. There's like no thread in it. So then I think I'm just gonna have to create a big mess of duct tape right now. See how that goes.